me get the hose and all.
Can you even see the little bunny?
You can?
It's so cute with this little face. You mean with the camera? Like,
Can you watch the video?
picture? Yeah. You want to watch the video? See what's going on. Oh, like, does it have clothes? Like the... yeah, it does, but I took them off.
the Barbie,
yeah, I took them off.
Like the Barbie on TV?
Yes, I took them off. Yes, I took them off.
That's cool. I want the Barbie.
You should name the bunny Fluffy.
I want to name it Fluffy.
No, name it Star because it has that little white dot on its head.
But
Fluffy because it's really fluffy.
It's a girl or a boy.
It's probably a girl. Probably a girl.
Fluffy is a good name because it would... You want to know what I'm going to name the bunny?
What?
Fluffy.
I forgot that Star because there's like a little white dot where its head is. Mom, look, there's like a little white star. There's like a little white dot where its head is, and it should be named. Well, I'm gonna call it Star for next name.
But it won't get used to its name.
This is like the most amazing thing ever. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. I put a video on YouTube once, and I was able to do it. I already got 2 views already. But
what was the video about?
It was called Pikachu with Rabies Attack. It was like a few months ago.
Let's show the kitty.
No, I already did the kitty ones.
Have you seen Alex? For Alex. No voy a quedar aquí porque me lo llevan a la
Oh, so cute. Okay, when should I end this? Okay. But really, the name should be Star. Come on, look at the little dot on its face. Or Diamond, probably. I named a little toy pony that I have.
I'm naming it Fluffy so it will fit a girl and a boy.
Well, actually,
it's either Fluffy or Snowball.
I have a little toy pony at my house, and it has a diamond on its head right here, so I called it Diamond. It's a little cute pony. This is so cute.
What do you feed your bunnies?
They not like
rabbit pellets.
Green stuff, green.
They have rabbit pellets back.
We have little carrots, so we're gonna feed them little carrots. Yeah. And it's also their treat. I know.
Really?
Okay. Okay.